going with the flow, we had two questions. Question 1 was collect the web graph, question 2 is use this web graph to solve your search problem. Question 1 you all are convinced is very doable. Why? You saw the plot just now. When there are n number of nodes, it is not very difficult to explore the entire graph with n nodes. Random walk makes you search for all possible nodes and visit all the places. That way you would know what is linking to what. Not only will you get all the nodes, you will get a whole lot of edges as well, right. So, which means a partial structure of the graph is revealed to you. The second question that we asked, how can we use such a web graph to solve our search problem? That we should go slightly slowly. I am going to divide my explanation in several pieces. I will go piece by piece. At the end, put all these pieces together and you will see that we can solve the search problem just by using this web graph. So, I am going to go in bits and pieces and solve the problem of how we can use this web graph to solve the search question. The first piece is, as and always, a puzzle. You are given 30 people with complicated friendships between them. You have to decide who is the most important person here, and I am going to use a very weird strategy to find out who is the most important person. Repeat, 30 node graph, they are all friends. I am going to find out a nice way in which I am going to use a nice way in which I can find out who is the most important person here. What do I do? As I told you, it is a very weird strategy. Do not break your head on why am I doing it, what has this to do with the question. As I told you, I am going to go in bits and pieces. The first piece is the standalone question. By standalone question I mean, do not try to relate it with anything else, just look at this as a problem in its own right. 30 people, and I am going to use the following strategy to find who is good here, who is the best here. Basically I am going to rank everyone, who is the best, who is the second best, who is the third best. What I do is, I take 100 gold coins and give it to every single person on this network of 30 people. So, the first person gets 100 gold coins, second person gets 100 gold coins, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 30 people each of them get 100 gold coins. And what does the first person do? Assume a person has 3 edges. This node has 3, let us just take one node, it has 3 outgoing edges. So, 100 can be divided into 33, 33, 33, I am going to round off. Okay. So, let us say 90, let us say 4 edges are going, not 3, 4 edges are going, 100 gold coins to a node, and this node gives 25 gold coins to each of his neighbors. If it was 3, I will just divide it by 3 and 33.33 each. I will assume gold coins can you can consider a decimal part of it and then give it in by powdering it, let us say. Okay. So, every person distributes the gold coins that they have to their neighbors. Now, this fellow who has 4 neighbors to him will have some people who have him as a neighbor. So, he will also get some gold coins, right. So, all I do is I take a network, as you can see 100 gold coins each, one iteration, one snap like this will make everyone distribute their existing gold coins to all their neighbors. You see, with one snap everything changed in the network on these 30 nodes. Another snap, again it gets distributed. Observe very closely, what is the distribution? Whatever gold coins you have, whoever are your neighbors, you should just go and give it to them, and whoever is pointing to you, they will give their gold coins to you. In every snap this happens, every snap this happens, keep doing these snaps. Snaps are basically iterations, you see the graph changing first snap change, second snap change, third snap change, you see it keeps changing like this, keeps changing like this, and so on and so forth. I keep doing this up to eternity. Guess what happens? Very interestingly, this converges, which means there is a stage after which the gold coins get accumulated and it does not change, just stays stagnant. And in that state you go and see who has the maximum gold coins. You will see there is this node which has the maximum gold coins, you call him rank 1. What does it denote? How did he accumulate so many gold coins? You did some random process, you simply started giving gold coins that you have. What does this even denote in the first place? Let us see that in a while, but I just did this for fun, a very weird strategy to find out who is the most important person. Whoever accumulates the maximum gold coins eventually with time is the most important person. The second most gold coin collector is the second most important person, third most important person, fourth, fifth, so on. What just happened? Pause and think about it.